This Centro Medium Moderno cute nightstands on a NextDoor app in my neighborhood. Yes, need a lot of work to finish, but it's solid wood, but is in a rough shape. Bill. This comes out of the bag. I don't know, but looks like has no back. It's like that from 1988. I don't know if this is solid wood. It's in really rough shape. Looks like, I don't know if solid wood or not. I cannot. But it's so cute. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flip Furniture Mom. My name is Maggie, and today's video I'm very happy to participate in another flip challenge hosting by Miss Flips. Thank you Marissa for hosting this challenge, EcoFriendly, where several other YouTuber flippers participate too. And my pitch for this video is this cute nightstands. I love that, and I'm going to try restoring them and use the most friendly products I can. Let's go to start. First round on the sanding with 180-degree sandpaper. It looks like this. Now I'm going to 120 sandpaper. Is done. I really love this wood grain, and have some marks here. I don't know what it is. I'm going to create a bag for this nightstands because I don't like that open. Maybe I need to stain the legs. It's different color. I go try. But I really love this green wood. Now it's time to repair. I need to repair here and here another one. For the hardware, I'm going to spray in black. I love so much how this nightstand turns out. I have no time to finish both of us, but I'm in love with this oil. Have a finish so beautiful. I need you waiting 3 full days for this dry and buffer up, but I'm in love with this color. Thank you so much for watching. I hope the guys enjoy like I did to make it. I have too much fun finish this nightstands. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do again at this finish. I love this oil. This smells so good. Thank you, Marissa, for hosting this awesome challenge. And please check the playlist and watch the other videos on this challenge. It was amazing. Thank you who buy me things from my Amazon wish list. And I want to thank you all for your support and love. I wish you all have a great week and see you on the next Friday with another video. Bye guys.